Okay, before we do 27, let me remind you that of the 9 assignments that have been assigned, counting today's review, 6 of them will be due on test day. So you pick the 6, have them ready to go when you come in on Wednesday or Thursday. All right, number 27 from 205. Or 202, I guess I should say. Limit as x approaches negative infinity. So I'm already a little on edge here with the negative thing. I'll have to be careful about that. Of x over square root of x squared minus x. Let's see. Okay, so I'm back to infinite limits that go to infinity. That's the top no, bottom O equal co stuff. So I'm thinking this looks like an equal co, square root of x squared, because this is, the x is not so important. So this is an equal co problem. And I think I know where the issue is coming. So the coefficients would be 1 and 1. So it's going to be 1, but I need to be real careful about positive and negative. If I plug in a negative infinity to the top, I'll get negative. If I plug in negative infinity to the bottom, I square it, it becomes positive. I square root it, it stays positive. So this is headed toward negative 1. So it's sort of equal co, but the real issue is the positive and negative stuff. Other questions from 205? Yes, sir? 25. Limit as x goes to negative infinity. Oh, here we go with the negative again. 5x squared over x plus 3. Okay, no weird square roots. Top no, bottom O equal co. Well, the top's bigger, so this is definitely a top no problem. But no means it doesn't exist. And it doesn't exist because it goes to infinity, but I need to be careful about whether it's positive infinity or negative infinity. So in the top one, that would be positive. The bottom, because we square negative, in the bottom one it'll be negative, so this is headed toward negative infinity. So the answer is it doesn't exist because it goes to negative infinity.
29.
Now, going kind of quick through these. Again, if we're doing one and you're not sure, say so. Stop me. Limit as x approaches negative infinity. So again, with the negative infinity, 2x plus 1 over square root of x squared minus x. This is almost the same thing as 27 was. So if I want to do the approximate thing, the plus 1 doesn't really matter. The minus x doesn't really matter. So this looks like an equal co problem. It's headed to 2, but I got to be real careful about this minus sign here. In the top, I'll be headed toward negative infinity. In the bottom, because we are squaring it, it becomes positive. The square root of it stays positive. So it's going to be a negative 2. So these are kind of tricky because you got to handle the different things different ways. Like so, top no, bottom O equal co. That gets you started. We get the coefficient, but then we have to worry about is it positive or negative, and that takes a kind of a different sort of analysis to get there. Other questions from this one, from this page? All right,